Hi, welcome to Open Hand Farm. I don't know about you, but after the winter is done and the fireplace is done burning, it might not be done burning, but it's close enough. There is just like ash soot everywhere. So today I'm going to start a series on spring cleaning. I'm going to start with the kitchen. I have this area up here that is really bad. If I get close up here, can you see the dust and stuff on the lights? And then it also collects on all of this grapevine and the baskets. So this is where I'm starting today, and I would love it if you came along and joined me. So I also have this table that sits under all of this, and I'm going to clean all of that too, but on it is this artificial plant that also collects dust, so I'll be washing it too. Okay, I got a lot of work done today in between crying babies and just craziness going on, you guys. Every day there's just something different, but that's okay because I was trying to find like a 3-day period that I could just clean, do nothing but clean. And when I saw that wasn't going to happen, I just decided to do what I can when I can do it. So it's now 7 o'clock at night, and I started this project at about 10 o'clock this morning, but that's okay. I made a lot of progress, got a lot of stuff done, and I feel good about it. So tomorrow is a new day that I can start a new project, and eventually this main floor of my house will get done. Let me show you what I did today. All of the lights and baskets in the kitchen are clean. What a great feeling. No more fuzzies hanging around and looking bad. And I also did this light that is over my island. I took down the winter greenery off of it, trying to decide if I want to add some spring greenery, but I don't know. It's just one more thing to get dusty. I also dusted and cleaned everything on this cabinet, which was a good feeling. And I cleaned this section. I dusted and cleaned the window frame pictures. I cleaned this table and the wall behind it. The wall behind it was so dirty. You guys, I had no idea how well the dry erase did on painted walls. I was always afraid if I used it on a painted wall, it would take the paint off. Well, I had some drips going down here that was from that wax melt thing, and it just collected dust and dirt, and it cleaned it off. I mean, it's been there for a long time, and I could have had it clean. So I changed up what I have on here and put a new little cloth on it. And here's a look from this side with the baskets and everything. I'm just so happy. I also cleaned off this shelf here. It was a little too full and messy. I mean, it still has a lot of things. A friend of mine gave me this cowbell for our community dinners and coffees because sometimes people are talking so much it's hard to get their attention. So I just happened to print off some vinyl things the other day and thought, oh, I'll print off some open hand farm vinyls to use on things. And I thought, oh, I could put that on there. So that's fun. Now it's definitely an open hand farm community cowbell. And these are the flowers that Genesee and Tevye gave me for Valentine's Day. And I decided to dry them. So they look pretty hanging there. Overall, I got a lot done. I still have a lot to do. I'm hoping next time to get to the 3 ceiling fans. There's one behind all these baskets here. Get down here, there. Now you can see it. Get all of those done. I'm starting high. When you're doing spring cleaning, you always start at the top. Then whatever falls down, you can go ahead and clean up as you go down. It was also fun to have my mom help me today. She has always been like the most particular cleaner and everything perfect in her houses. So she was more than willing to help me with my terribly dusty, dirty house. So it was so nice to have somebody to work with. Thanks again for watching. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family. And until next time, blessings on you and yours.